So I'm out here with Johnny. We're installing a walk-through door. Johnny already has the frame in done, and all he did was made it the same width as his walk-through door, and he used screws to do the whole thing. That way everything is adjustable. He's got his block ends in between each one of the girths. That way he can screw the door to each section, and his J-channel won't be buckly as well. So what you want to do is begin by attaching the hinge side of your door to the frame, and if everything's level, everything should go in just fine. And it's super important that you don't put those inside screws in, because there's screws behind that when that door is open that you can put in as well, but you don't want to put those in. If you do put them in after the door is completely done, and just do not tighten them. Just bring them in flush, and you'll save yourself a lot of headache, because it seems like the door knobs don't want to work with the frame if you tighten those inside ones down. But now he's adjusting that all flush with the outside of the frame mount, and maybe just a little bit past. And he's pretty well got that thing hung, in less than 2 minutes. And now you want to make sure that seal is tight when the door is closed. Those are the inside screws. You definitely don't want to tighten those. You want to make sure that the hinge is, you want to make sure that the seal is tight around the outside edge of the door. And you really don't want to get too particular about it until all the framing is done on the building, all the metal is on, and then you'll come by and just adjust that door frame, the metal door frame, in and out a little bit, and to make that seal tight. See here, there's a little gap at the top of the door up there. So all he's doing is taking backing those screws out and push that frame tight against the door. Now install that top header, and you'll need to put some little blocks like he has between the girths below that top header board, and voila, you're done. It looks like our metal has gotten away and is knocked up against that tree. Oh my.